I'm wearing the Forever Cloche Classic hat from August Hats. And here it is up close. And it has this detailing of a bow with a little beading on it. Isn't that beautiful? The rim shades the sun from my eyes. One size fits most. 100% made of paper. Inside it has this drawstring, so you can make the hat as small as you like. See? And it fits perfectly. Not only is this cute and stylish, this little sun hat, it'll hold up in the wind when you're on that beach when it starts winding due to this adjustable string strap that holds it in place. You spot clean it. And the slender bead for charm, the August hat. Thanks for watching the Classic Cloche from August Hats. And remember, it'll keep the sun out of your eyes. Happy shopping! Until next time, bye-bye!